So let us practice some questions relating to writing numbers in the word form. Practice writing numbers in the word form. So essentially, at the end of the solution, we should have words which are representing the given numbers. So this is the first one, is a very long number, so I'm going to write that down here and convert that into standard form first. So that's the first step. Standard form. And we have learned that before already. I'm going to write this 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 9, 8, 2, 1, 4. And so writing standard form means grouping numbers into threes and putting commas. This is the standard form. And then the second step is use the place value chart to find out the colors of the groups of three. And we have seen that earlier. Is let's see, the first three are black color. They are called ones. Then the next three are thousands. Then the next three are millions. So those are the values. And lastly, we have one here in billions. Third step is using the colors for the groups of three digits and the place value chart write the word form. Let us do that for this example. We had red showing here, and there was only 3, and it corresponds to billions. So the word would be 3 billion, comma, because there's a comma here. Next we have the orange color, 3 digits, 452, that corresponds to millions. And so this is 452 millions. So we can write that as words, 452 millions. Comma. Then we have the blue color, 3 digits, which corresponds to thousands. So it is going to be 498. 498. And it corresponds to thousands. So we're going to put thousands there. and then a comma. Lastly, the set of ones. So you just read that as 214. So this is the word form. So in summary, we converted the given number into the standard form and wrote down the commas at the right place. And then we looked at the place value chart to find out the colors for each groups of 3. We found them to be black, blue, orange, red. And then using the place value chart, we write down the words for those numbers for each group, followed by what is a group name. 452 followed by the group name. 498 followed by the group name. And lastly, once is not used, this is not a group name, so you just end by writing whatever the 100 values is. In this case it happened to be 214. So that was the first example. So practice the second one. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the standard form. That's a comma group of 3 and that's a comma group of 3. And I'm going to indicate this is the ones group of 3 numbers. This is the thousands group of 3 numbers, and this one is the group for millions, value of millions. So use the same method and practice that example.